Hi, my name is Barry Lee, Product Manager for Circulators and Accessories for Bell Gossett in North America. Today, I'm really proud to talk to you about the ecocirc Plus 2018 that we recently won the award in Consulting Specifying Engineer magazine for Most Valuable Product in 2021. Today, we're going to talk about the features and benefits of this product that could be used in your home or your light commercial applications. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you Bob Aronson, who will go through these features and benefits. Thanks.
Thanks, Barry. The first thing we'll have to do is go to the application store for your cell phone. I'll go to the App Store here, and I'll find my ecocirc application and download it. I've already downloaded mine, so I'll go to the application, and this is what you should see. This is the main page that shows up when you open the application. Circulator Control Center, Troubleshooting Guide, Catalogs and Docs, Replacement Guide, and a Product Registration page. In this case, we'll go to the Circulator Control Center. So now we'll scan the QR code on the pump. The pump is displaying PIN, so we hit the Bluetooth button. We get 694, we hit it again, we get 209. So 694209 is entered, and we pair with that 6-digit PIN number. So the second method to connect to the pump is using the Bluetooth application. So we'll turn on our Bluetooth from the pump. So here it goes, it's on, it's flashing. So we'll select Bluetooth. And that's the pump we're connecting to. So the pump is giving us a PIN number. So we'll hit it once, 479, hit it twice, 754, 479. 754 and pair. So give it a few seconds. It takes a little bit to connect. So this is the information page that Circulator Control Center opens, and you can troubleshoot the pump, find out where it's operating at. In this case, it's 6.3 watts. The head is 7 feet. Flow is 0 right now. So it shows input voltage, motor speed, if that's important to you, water temperature, and then we have timers that record the time spent at a particular power consumption level. It's a measure of how hard the circulator is working. And then the error history, in this case we have no error codes in memory. So we'll go back up here. And right now we're operating in proportional pressure mode. We'll hit a scroll button feature here, and we'll go to constant pressure. Confirm, constant pressure. So the pressure mode changed. So constant pressure would be used for snow melt type systems maybe, or in-floor heat type applications. Let's go back in here and go to proportional pressure. Proportional pressure would be used typically for parallel piped type heating systems. We'll go back into the scroll feature, and constant speed. We'll go to constant speed. If you have an application where you know there's a BTU load, for instance, specific load point or operating point for the pump, you would set it for constant speed. There's an eAdapt functionality that attempts to minimize power draw There's an air purge feature. If you suspect that you have air control problems, it's sometimes good to put it in air purge mode and let it run in air purge mode for a couple of minutes to keep air moving down the pipe. Let's go back to the scroll feature here. Let's confirm temperature. So for temperature operation, we set in the main menu, we set it for temperature, confirm that. We go to the advanced settings. We can either set it for constant temperature heating or constant temperature cooling. And we have a slider bar for the temperature set point. We'll confirm that. We have proportional and integral gain values that we can adjust to speed up the process or slow it down, and a sampling time input. The temperature sensor itself is the same temperature sensor used on the ecocirc Excel, so it gets attached to the two leftmost terminals on the connector block. So for 0 to 10 volt operation, it's the highest priority operating mode of the pump. So when it sees input at terminals 3 and 4, the two middle terminals, it will automatically follow the voltage signal with speed goes up and down with voltage. So, and then the parameters of the pump are still followed with the application and also the display on the pump, the feet, the GPM, watts, that sort of thing. Many people choose eAdapt because they're not exactly sure of how they should set the pump up. So eAdapt can be set up either on the HMI, the human interface of the pump, but you can also set it up on the application. We'll confirm that. So that's eAdapt now, has become the operating mode. One additional item that's available is night setback mode. If you're interested in reducing the power consumption of the pump to an absolute minimum, given boiler water temperature setback conditions, night mode is the way to do it. We can set it up by, it's disabled here by default. It can be enabled if you choose to. Currently our pump was set up with the app, the Bluetooth app, and the dial is disabled. So in order to get control of the pump again, what you need to do is turn the dial all the way to the left, all the way to the right, and then to the left again, and then the dial will have control of the pump. So that's it for the features of the ecocirc Plus 2018 using the mobile app. For additional information, visit the bellgossett.com website. Thanks for watching.